here's the airbag in the rear, and there's the fitting, and we've already cut a big chunk of this out, but as the car flexes, the fitting that goes in there was hitting underneath. It was just barely touching when the car flexed as it drove, and after about 2,000 miles the fitting snapped, so had to cut it up higher. So now we have plenty of clearance. We should have pulled the airbag out and done everything, but the trunk setup is in, and I didn't want to remove the stereo and the wall and the floor and the compressor and everything to get into where I have to pull this airbag out. So yeah, let's just do it the scary way and hope it doesn't cost us an airbag. And I think we did it. We're good. Just patience. Ah, damn.
Appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Thanks for watching the video. If you're looking for more car related content, make sure you subscribe here on the GearHeads channel. If you're looking for video game stuff, we've divided YouTube up into 4 different channels. Over there you'll see the link for FC Mobile, Raid Shadow Legends, and then GearHeads for a few laughs, basically where we make fun of the alpha male.